So hey guys, hope you all are fine. I am Ashish and today we are going to see a full step-by-step tutorial on mandala drawing. Before starting, ensure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. I can make you assured that you are going to get best tutorial and video quality on my channel compared to other art channels on entire YouTube. I am trying hard to give you the best I can. So I have taken an ivory sheet of dimensions 29 into 20 cm. Now take midpoints of all four sides and just meet them like this. Now place the protector at center. I am marking points at intervals of 10 degrees. This will create 36 sections. You can change the ratios as well. Now draw straight lines connecting the points we mark. This will help us in getting precision. Now, with the help of compass, draw concentric circles. Many people ask me that what should be the distance between two concentric circles. So, while drawing concentric circles, we don't measure the distance. It is just an assumption that this much gap is enough and appropriate. So don't worry about gaps between circles, it may differ. Even I am not sure that distance between all the circles I have drawn is same or not. But the thing matters is your cleanliness and how you exhibit your work. So this is how a grid is made for mandala. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sections, and last section is bigger than others because it is the outer part of our mandala. Now rub the extra lines. Now moving to next step. Due to small grids, I am using 2 grids to draw single shape. You should draw shapes section by section, otherwise it would become very hard for you to draw shape precisely. And if you are facing any problem, then you can DM me on Instagram or comment below and I will try to help you with the best I can. Now coming to the 5th section, we will draw one shape in one grid.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Just keep in mind that you have to keep the shapes intact. So now we have completed the first layer of our mandala art. Moving to the details, here I will use fine liner of 0.1 mm. You need to be slow and calm, otherwise if you hurry, then your art will be spoiled. It will take time, but when you complete it, you will get appreciation for your hard work and you will going to love the mandala art. Okay, getting back to work, I am keeping the patterns very simple so that it is easy for all the beginners to follow, and you can also add your own patterns.
Still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
Now at last, I am making the borders thicker so it will make our mandala stand out from the background.
Losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let be. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, love.
I am filling lemon yellow at the center so it will attract the attention of people to your artwork, and this one could be a plus point for you and your artwork.